Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Wrike for enterprise project planning, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Wrike website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a page with subscription options. Scroll down to find the enterprise plan. Click on the Contact Sales button associated with the enterprise plan. Fill out the required information in the contact form. Provide your name, email address, and company details. Indicate your interest in the enterprise plan in the message section. Click the Submit button to send your inquiry. Wait for a representative from Wrike to reach out to you. Once contacted, discuss your project planning needs with the sales representative. Request a demo to see the features specific to the enterprise plan. If satisfied, ask for the pricing details and contract terms. Review the proposal and negotiate if necessary. Once agreed upon, you will receive a contract for the enterprise plan. Sign the contract to finalize your subscription. You will then receive confirmation of your subscription via email. Follow the instructions in the email to access your new Wrike account. Log into Wrike using your new credentials. Explore the dashboard and set up your project management preferences. Invite your team members to join your Wrike workspace. Start creating your projects and tasks in Wrike. Utilize the various features tailored for enterprise project planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.